Welcome to the always exciting Future Tech Vids, from musical instruments to renewable energy sources at the palm of your hands. The past decade has seen incredible advancements that have transformed the way we live, work, and play. In this list, we'll take a look at the top 10 coolest tech innovations that are changing the game right now. These technologies are not only cutting edge, but have the potential to revolutionize entire industries and improve our daily lives in ways we never thought possible. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the latest trends, let's dive in and explore the coolest tech of the moment. Squeaky Clean Feet. The Squeaky Clean Feet is now available for just $45, and it's an innovative foot cleaning system that effectively addresses various foot-related problems. This advanced device is designed to improve circulation, alleviate stress, and provide relief from common issues like plantar fasciitis and neuropathy. Additionally, it offers an effortless way to keep your feet clean. All you have to do is add soap to the front of the device and move your feet backward and forward for a few seconds, leaving your feet feeling fresh and clean. Next up, Splash Transformer. The Splash Transformer, available for $1,099 on Indiegogo, is the perfect alternative to regular e-scooters that are primarily designed for daily commutes. Designed for weekend daredevils and stylish rides, it is sporty, playful, practical, and versatile, making it a unique commuting vehicle that is recreation-oriented. With many options for customization of the handle housing and riding modes, this motorbike-like beast will undoubtedly turn heads. The beefy proprietary motor, patented for its amazing torque of up to 960 watts, makes it perfect for taking your ride over various terrains. This scooter is built to hold you steady on whatever route you take and help you get over the bumps. Octave. Have you ever laid eyes on a tumbler? It's a remarkable, imaginative musical instrument constructed using various tubes and PVC pipes. This DIY creation can even take on the form of an octave, a harness-worn instrument that exudes a unique and cool Dr. Otto Octavius vibe. Designed by Asif Weinberg, this one-of-a-kind instrument is a must-have for anyone interested in trendy DIY projects. The Octave, much like the tumbler, consists of PVC pipes that lead to 6 sound-producing pads similar to a drum set. The entire device is attached to a harness that allows for freedom of movement. Currently, the instrument is not for sale, but we hope to see it on the market soon. Crown. Introducing the Crown, a device that can revolutionize the way you work and game. With Crown, distractions from your smartphone are a thing of the past, allowing you to be productive and achieve your goals. But that's not all. Crown stimulates your brain, enabling you to achieve a level of focus you've never experienced before. It's perfect for competitive gaming too, keeping you hyper-focused and in the zone. Packed with cutting-edge technology, Crown features 8 EEG sensors, 2 haptic motors, and an NFC chip for all your NFC-enabled devices. A 1.8 GHz processor, a 400 MHz coprocessor, and 8 GB of flash storage ensure smooth operation. You can use Crown for up to 3 hours before it requires a recharge. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to productivity and focus with Crown, the ultimate tool for anyone who wants to perform at their best. Stratosphere Aquatica is next. Imagine cruising across the ocean in luxurious comfort, feeling the cool breeze of the water in your face. Now, with Stratosphere Aquatica, that dream can become a reality. This 2-seater vehicle offers all the comfort of an automobile with the added benefit of gliding across the water smoother than any boat ever could. Operating Stratosphere Aquatica is a breeze, thanks to its boat-like controls. With 2 propellers propelling it forward, maneuvering through the water is effortless, and when you're ready to relax, simply open the hatch to enjoy the fresh ocean air. You can even adjust the speed, cruising slowly or jetting through the water like a sporting boat. The choice is yours. While the cost of Stratosphere Aquatica is still unknown, it's a small price to pay for such an incredible piece of technology. So why wait? Come experience the ocean like never before with Stratosphere Aquatica. Up next is Shine. Say goodbye to traditional charging methods and hello to Shine, the innovative wind turbine that's set to change the world. With its advanced technology, Shine can capture the power of the wind and convert it into electrical energy, providing up to 4 complete phone charges with its built-in battery. Designed to work in a variety of wind conditions from gentle breezes to strong gusts, Shine's portability makes it the perfect solution for charging your gadgets while on the go. Weighing less than 3 pounds, it can easily fit in your backpack and be set up in just 2 minutes. Though not yet available for sale, Shine can be pre-ordered on Kickstarter for only $290. Don't miss your chance to join the green energy movement and support the future of sustainable power with Shine. Mural Canvas 2. Looking for a great way to add artwork to your home? Well, look no further than Mural Canvas, the amazing new way to display your favorite artwork or photos. With a base model of 16 by 24, this digital smart frame offers a wooden screen and an HD display that supports images up to 1080p. But that's just the beginning. With a Mural membership, you gain access to a seemingly endless library of stock images, including more than 30,000 works of art, or if you prefer, simply upload your own images directly from your computer using a Wi-Fi connection. No need to go to the store and buy expensive artwork to hang on the wall. But the benefits don't stop there. Using the easy-to-use smartphone app, you can personalize your display times, adjust your voice controls, and much more. Change images with ease and create a display that's uniquely yours. The best part, you can find this incredible canvas on Amazon for just $499. Don't wait any longer to elevate your home decor with Mural Canvas. Atmos. Never let a flat ball ruin your game again, and avoid spending hours vacuum sealing your clothing or other fabrics. With Atmos, you'll have enough power to inflate up to 25 balls on just one charge or vacuum seal several items for storage. Looking for an easy way to inflate your sports balls or vacuum seal your clothing bags? Look no further than Atmos. With a battery that lasts up to 60 minutes, you can inflate most balls in just 3 minutes or vacuum seal your clothes in the same amount of time. But that's not all. You can also use Atmos as a vacuum to compress any sealant-safe clothing bags you may have lying around. It's the perfect tool for those who want to keep their belongings organized and in great condition. Don't hesitate to get your own Atmos portable pump, available on Amazon for just $29. With its versatility and ease of use, it's an investment you won't regret. Wind Bullet. Imagine being trapped inside your vehicle submerged in water. It's a terrifying thought, but one what we must prepare for. That's where Wind Bullet comes in. With just one tap, this device can shatter your car's window, giving you a way out in case of emergency. But the uses of Wind Bullet go beyond just car windows. If you ever find yourself locked out of your home, this tool can help you gain entry by breaking a window. And if you come across someone in distress in their vehicle, you can use Wind Bullet to safely extract them from harm's way. In a world where emergencies can strike at any moment, Wind Bullet is the ultimate tool for your safety and peace of mind. Don't wait until it's too late. Get your hands on Wind Bullet today and be prepared for anything that comes your way. With countless uses, Wind Bullet is a must-have tool for any emergency situation. And the best part? It's available now on Indiegogo for just $33. Don't wait until it's too late. Invest in your safety and the safety of those around you with Wind Bullet. Next on our list, MoAir. With glasses that overlay computerized information over the real world, MoAir is a safe and smart wearable technology that puts powerful tools right at your fingertips. Featuring a robust processor, advanced optical zoom, and gesture control for hands-free communication, this device also boasts a side HD camera that lets you capture the world around you from a first-person point of view without having to touch your phone. But MoAir is more than just a camera. With built-in GPS, you can navigate the world around you by setting your destination and seeing detailed directions right in front of you. You can also listen to music and view lyrics from the lens and use the touchpad to adjust the volume or control playback. MoAir is the ultimate tool for communication and information sharing. With a simple click of a button, this device will take care of your daily schedule as your personal assistant. All your memos and notes will be displayed in augmented reality, making it easier than ever to keep track of your tasks and to-dos. Get your hands on MoAir today for just $439 on Indiegogo and start experiencing the power of wearable technology in a whole new way. This was once again Future Tech Vids. We appreciate your presence, and we're curious to know which upcoming technological advancements have caught your attention. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Also, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay informed about our latest content. Farewell for now.